Hello guys, today we have our One Piece Japanese version, and then let's see if he can get another God pack. We have a SR in our first pack, then let's see for the second pack if he can get anything from there. Oh, Coby! Nice one. Let's continue. Nothing. Oh, broke with eating the watermelon. Nothing as well. Oh, this cute. Susan, nothing for the last pack. That's all for today. Thanks for watching guys. I see you in the next video.